I welcome to the incredible platform, right? So, in my last lecture, I have talked about the fundamental concept of GST. Even I have taken the very two numericals. One was easy, other one is little bit difficult, and I may say the challenging question, right? It was a little bit difficult than the first questions, and it was one of the most important question which I have discussed in my previous lecture. Now today I am going to end the chapter by taking 2 to 3 phenomenal questions which generally comes in exam. Yes, children, which generally comes in exam. And also I will discuss now one of the phenomenal concept I don't think you can understand better in anywhere rather than here. Without making any delay, let's the video get started, children. The most phenomenal concept I'm going to discuss over here regarding GST. अच्छा, let me have a little bit recap of GST. Revision अगर नहीं करेंगे तो बच्चे शायद थोड़े तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आएगा. अगर that is all about GST. As I said, GST, CGST is also पता ही होगा. Inter everything I have talked about, but something question I have not taken about inter GST. Inter GST, the inter GST is all about which is been talking. Suppose let me give an example. Why to make so delay? इतना बात क्यों? अपने मन से एक example ले लेते बच्चों. That is all about. Suppose rupees 10,000. Suppose I purchased a smartphone. अरे भाई स्मार्टफोन जिंदगी में झुंड हो जाता. स्मार्टफोन जो पकड़ता उनका पूरा खत्म. Anyway, स्मार्टफोन I purchased for rupees 10,000. 10,000 का अच्छा नहीं लगता, चलो बनाते 20. Okay, and I belong to Odisha, children, and I belong to Odisha, and I am selling this smartphone in the other state, the nearest state to me, which is known as WB, West Bengal, Kolkata. Okay, कितना रुपए में बच्चों? ना कुछ इस प्रकार में 20,000, and I am selling in West Bengal for GST of 20%. 20% GST. And here, if I will be talking about find the GST, if I will be talking about what amount of GST I paid here, I paid or I will be paying here, what amount of GST, that means I will be talking about. That means 20,000 का 20% GST. Right, 20% GST. See, look, children, 20%, 20,000 I have purchased, and I am selling in a different, but in which I did not pay GST. इसमें GST पे नहीं किया था, खाली 20,000 में खरीद के लिया था, but GST I did not pay. I am going to pay the GST in West Bengal. नहीं आया समझ में? आ गया, ठीक है. That means GST is all about I will be paying 20 by 100 into 20,000. As I said in the last class, अगर कुछ percentage हो गया तो 5% 5 by 100, 10% 10 by 100, whatever it is, 2% 2 by 100, 20, that is 0000, cut 4 2 3 4,000. 4,000 GST I will be paying, which is all about IGST. Which is all about IGST is 4,000. That means here I concluded that, children, CGST, SGST, here I will be not applying CGST, IGST. Why? Because it is IGST. IGST, interstate. Interstate means the goods which will be the goods which we sell from one state to another. Odisha was a state, another state West Bengal. उसे बोलते हैं IGST. This concept I did not discuss in the last class. This is clear? बहुत बढ़िया fundamental. One more. Let us try. That is one of the most important concept, children, which is all about I wanted to talk. That see, suppose wholesaler, retailer, consumer. Who is the wholesaler? Wholesaler is A, retailer is B, consumer is C. Right? Now A will sell a good or services, whatever. A will sell the goods to B. Very important logic, children. Very important. Understand it very clearly. A will sell the goods to B at rupees, I repeat, at rupees 100 GST. That means A sold to B, जब A सेल करा B को 100 रुपए GST. That means B purchased from A. That means B purchased from A. A sold, B purchased. That means here B has given rupees 100. B has, you will people get confused. Just a minute. Okay. I will purchase 100 rupees things to you. I will purchase something. Suppose I am having a marker 50 rupees and I will sell this marker to you. You will purchase from me. When you will purchase, you will pay the amount of 50 na, in which GST is included. In which GST is included. That means you are paying me. I am not paying. You are paying me. Are you getting or not? That is all about I wanted to say. That means you are a B, I am A. I am having the goods, you are coming and taking from me, and you are paying me the GST. Is it clear? That means the concept is clear. B is paying what beta? Now B is paying 100 rupees GST to A. Okay. Acha. Now what happened? A sold the product. A sold the product to B. B is a retailer. B has kept the product by giving 100 rupees GST. By giving children GST of rupees 100. And retailer has kept. And the consumer came to the retailer. Consumer came to the retailer. ये तो कुछ प्रॉफिट रखेगा कि नहीं ना, खाली बेचेगा, प्रॉफिट रखेगा. And C has given rupees 150. Very important logic I am talking about. Just understand. नहीं समझ में आ रहा, लास्ट में आ जाएगा. Just wait. And C is giving rupees B 150 rupees GST. अरे जो C तो कुछ खरीदेगा ना B से. And here the 100 rupees was there. B has given 100 rupees to A, which is a GST. GST is calculated two types: CGST, SGST. That means CGST is 50 rupees. SGST is 50 rupees. That means 50 rupees went to the central government. Are you getting or not? And here is 150 consumer has kept. Consumer has given 150 to whom? B. So here we conclude that net tax equals to output tax minus input tax. इनपुट टैक्स, उसका मतलब क्या होता है समझते हैं. नेट टैक्स, आउटपुट टैक्स. आउटपुट टैक्स इज द टैक्स which the last customer gives to the nearer customer. I repeat, last 1, 2, 3. Which was the last? C is the last. C is giving to whom? SHE नहीं भैया, लड़की नहीं, ये C customer. C is giving to whom? Retailer. Output tax is calculated on the last consumer. The last stage is consumer, right? This C. Output tax C is given to this. That means कितना रुपए देता है? 150 रुपए देता है बच्चों, देखो 150. Input tax is applied on the first consumer. B has given some money to A, which is 100 beta. B has given some money to A, GST 100, and C has given some money to B, to 150. जो 100 रुपए B दिया था, यहां पे तो 100 रुपए मिल गया ना उसे. That means output GST equals to input net tax equals to output tax minus input tax. Output tax is all about 150. Last input tax is all about 100, which is all about 50 net tax. आई बात समझ में? All right. That means remember very important concept, children. Input tax, generally you will apply the input tax on the first priority. Who will the head? अगर एक क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा जो पहला बंदा होगा, A होलसेलर, जो पहला बंदा होगा, that particular man, from that particular man only input tax will be calculated. और जो लास्ट में होगा बच्चों, जो लास्ट में एट द एंड वाला जो बंदा होगा उसमें से इनपुट आउटपुट टेक्स्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड। इज इट क्लियर? आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू। यस, लेट अस डू सम बढ़िया बढ़िया सवाल, डेफिनेटली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सी चिल्ड्रन, here I am having questions, so you will be looking after the question in the screen. So I would like to say you please try it by your own. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो पॉज करो, वीडियो सोल्यूशन देखो, डाउट अपना क्लियर करो। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में आने वाला है, आ भी सकता है, आया हुआ भी है। इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द गिव मिड टर्म एग्जाम, डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू से इट विल कम। The MP of an article is 6,000. The mark price of an article is 6,000. Okay. A dealer wholesaler sells it to a dealer. That means a wholesaler MP. That means the mark price of an article is 6,000. A wholesaler sells it to a dealer. Who sells? Now wholesaler sells to a dealer. Wholesaler beta sells to whom? Na dealer. Acha. Wholesaler sells to a dealer at beta what? Na wholesaler sells to a dealer at a 20% discount. Wholesaler, suppose I am a wholesaler and I am selling the article. Article to whom? The dealer. The dealer is you. I am selling the article to you all people at what? Na 6,000, and I am giving you 20% because you all people are watching my videos. You people are watching my video, that's the reason प्यार मोहब्बत से I am giving you 20% discount. That means 6,000 into 20% discount, 1,200. That means you people purchased from me, which is all about 6,000 minus 1,200, 4,800, right? That means you people purchased from me by giving 4,800 to me. I have given 1,200 discount to you because you are watching my videos. Thank you for that. Acha, again, what happened? The dealer you have taken from me. Suppose you are a dealer, I am a wholesaler, and what you people did that after taking the article, you thought that the article is duplicate. Again, you sold it to your friends. The friends is known as customer. The friends are known as customer. You have sold the same thing to your friends at 10% on the MP. At 10% on the MP, children, matlab 10%. On MP, the MP was 6,000. Again, you sold the same thing to your friends. Suppose the friend is customer, you are a dealer, I am a wholesaler. 6,000 into 10 by 100. That means you sold them by 600, which is all about 5,400. You purchased from me 4,800, and you sold them by 5,400. Here is saying that if the rate of GST at the each stage is 80%, that means the rate of GST in each stage is 80%. GST is 18% in each state. Each state means the same. Here is also 18%. There is also 18% GST. Here is also 18% GST. There is also 18% GST. Remember, children, very important concept. You have to apply GST after deducting the discount. मतलब तुम्हें GST निकालना है when you will take it out the discount. मतलब here I mean to say that suppose an object which is a price of 100, children, right, and I am giving 10% discount, which is 10% discount, that is all about 90 rupees. You have to calculate GST on 90. Never calculate the GST on mark price. Remember always, my children, never do wrong. People, I think 90%, what thing generally does 90% of student, अच्छा 18% GST, chalo 18%, they will apply 18% into 6,000. No, that is very wrong. Very wrong. Never ever put the GST amount on the mark price, which is wrong statement. If suppose there is having no discount, then you may apply. But if there is having discount, first you have to calculate, you have to take it out the discount amount, you have to take it out the cost price, right? After take it out the cost price, you have to apply right there the GST. So I have taken out the cost price 4,800. Can I apply 18% GST on that? Yes. So 18% is 18 upon 100. into 4800 children, that means 0000 cancel, 18 into 8 what? So 18 into 8, which is all about children, sorry, I mean absent mind, which is all about 36, so 144, right? 144, so 4 carries 14, over here is 72 14, 72 over here 14 is 86, 864 GST. Who? The dealer paid while bringing from wholesaler. That means when you purchased from me, you paid 864 GST. Similarly, in case of customer also, customer, that means you, the way you sold to your friends, that means your friend also paid here. That 18% means 18 upon 100 into 5400. Okay, that means all about 0000 cancel, which is all about 18 for the 72, 2 carry 7, 97. So what is now the question is, here is saying that net GST, find the amount of tax. Definitely net tax equals to, see, net tax equals to, formula you know very well, output tax minus input tax. I hope you can do with the process, right? You can do with the process because you are in 10th grade. If you don't know the process, you can come again, you can ask me the solution. I will be coming by video solution again, no problem. Output tax, where to calculate output tax? Little bit earlier I have said you have to calculate output tax, children. Where? Now you have to take the output test at the last stage. Who is the last stage? It's wholesaler. I am the wholesaler, you are the dealer, customer is your friend. That means the friend is paying you, that friend, what amount the friend will pay, that is the output. The amount the friend will pay to you in case of GST. Alright, that is the output. The third party, who is the third one? The customer is paying to the dealer. Third party what? 972 minus 864. That is all about, I can be getting over here, that is all about 3672. What? 3672 108 amount. Is it clear? 108. Is it clear? Is it clear? I think the concept is pretty clear to you. Let us start with another questions. Please note it down as soon as possible. Another question which is all there in your Concise Selina textbooks, and it is the question which I am taking. It is all about important questions, I may say that. Right. Another question is saying very interesting as well as very one of the good question. Another question that, so here the question is, and I would like to recommend children, please go after the question, look after the question, try to do by your own. If you cannot do, then after you come and see the video solution. But trying by your own is your first priority. The question is, a manufacturer of TV sets in Delhi. A is a manufacturer. Here is also A. A is a manufacturer of a TV sets in Delhi. He manufactured a particular brand of TV sets and marked it as a 7055 MP. Marked this as a 75,000. Right. Okay. And then sell this TV to the wholesaler B. Who? Now A sold the TV to the wholesaler B, which is all about by giving I think the similar kind of problem while last. Right. Anyway, let us do that. 75,000 and then sells this TV to a wholesaler at B in Punjab at a discount of 30%. Here it was for us Delhi. Delhi. Okay, Delhi, and here is all about Punjab. And sold it in the Punjab at 30% discount. So 75,000. Applying 30% discount. What did I say? Where to calculate GST? After taking out the discount, then only whatever the amount will be there, you have to calculate the GST on the cost price. Remember that. Remember that. Next. So let me take it out the discount first. 30 by 100. 30 by 100. Kala hath. 30 बट्टा 100 गुना 75,000, 75,000, 0000 cancel children, 75 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 22, right? 2200, 22,500, 75,000, 22,500, let us check 23,000, 52,500. That means B paid to A 52,500. right? Achha. The wholesaler B is a wholesaler, as you know very well. B is a wholesaler. The wholesaler B, see how I am doing, children. Never read the total entire question. Remember this, never read the entire question. If you read the entire question, only simply you will waste time in your exam. You cannot understand anything. Always try to read the exam haphazardly. Haphazardly means a bit of statement. First one line, another second line, another second line, another second line. In this way you have to write it down. Never read the entire question. You people cannot understand. Regarding what problems, never read the entire question. Always try to read half. Half means first line, second line, third line. In this way you people can understand pretty well. See how I am reading. The wholesaler B raises the MP of a TV set bought 30%. The wholesaler B raises the MP of a TV set bought 30%. Sell it to a dealer C. Acha. C is a dealer, right? Acha. By applying how many? What? 30%. And 30% and raises. Raises means I cannot understand. Let me understand. The wholesaler B raises the MP of a TV set bought by 30%. Acha. 30% and C dealer in Delhi. That means here that raises 30%. What was the MP? What was the price of MP when B sold to C? He raises 30%. Raises means uppar utha diya rate. That means raises 30%. 30 into 30%. That means 30 upon 100 into 75,000. Raises. He increased the price. Increase the price, which is all about 22,500 if I am not wrong. So why I am doing? So 22,500, which is all about 75,000, 97,500. Is it clear? Next. He is saying that if the rate of GST is 5%. Oh my goodness. If the rate of GST is 5%. Simple and straight. Rate of GST 5%. Everything is over. You have to take it as the rate of GST. Simple. 5%. 5 upon 100 into 5 to 500 children. 0000 cancel, which are 5 5 are 25. 5 2 10 to 12. 2 carry 1. 25 1 26. 2625. Over here is again 5 upon 100 into 97500, which is all about I am doing here so that you people cannot see the question also. I think so. So let me do here 597500 into 5 upon 100. 0000 cancel. 5 5 are 25. 5 carry 2. 35 to 37. 7 carry 3. 45 3 48. 4,875. As you know very well, net text equals to output text minus input text. What will be the output text? Dealer C, the last bath. As I said before, in the previous question also I have done, in the concept also I have made it clear. Last, which one is the last? So I am doing over here, that is 4875 minus 2625, which is all about 0 0 5 5 5. Then after over here is 2 is the answer. 22250. I think fine text paid by the B to the government, that net text is 2250. I think the concept is clear. To please note it down as soon as possible. And here only the entire GST is getting over. The entire GST is over here. And this is all about I wanted to say. And do not forget to miss the session of important questions of GST. I will be coming stronger with the 5 to 10 badhiya numericals, and I will be discussing all the important questions. And out of that guarantee, if you are going to give any of the midterm exam, definitely the question will be asked from that particular questions. This is all I wanted to say at the end. Yes, one of the thing also I wanted to say at the end, that is all about, I hope you have noted down. At the end I wanted to say, which is generally there in my heart, which I cannot even say you all people. So I want to say here is all about thanks a bunch, right? Thanks a bunch. This is there inside my heart. The feelings is there for you all people. Thank you very much for the entire support and loving me and the motivating me. Keep motivating, keep supporting, and definitely I will be coming stronger in the next video as well as a session. Thank you. Cheers.